Which one is easier for you to read? The left one with normal font, or the right one with some bolded letters? The right one is called Bionic reading. You might have seen people raving about it on Twitter. Some people say it helps them read much faster and it's gaining popularity. There are already some apps and browser extensions that implemented this feature, so you can use it on any article you like. If you want to read more or have ADHD or difficulties reading and understanding normal text, this might be a game changer for you. So the idea of Bionic reading is that by bolding some letters, it creates artificial fixation points for your eyes as a guide. And since our brain stores the words we learned so that only a few letters are enough to recognize a whole word. For instance, if you see only the first few letters of a word, you can still easily predict what it's going to be. Bionic reading takes advantage of this feature of our brains, so you can read it faster while maintaining comprehension. But at the time of making this video, I don't think there's any scientific evidence that suggests it works, at least as far as I know. So if you know any, please let me know. I saw Readwise was doing some kind of a survey or experiment to see if it actually works, but I'm not sure what the result was. Anyway, it still makes sense theoretically, so I tried it myself. I used some apps and browser extensions that let you convert web pages for Bionic reading. Honestly, I didn't feel much difference, rather I actually preferred the normal text. I found it kind of distracting to have those bolded letters while reading, but it could be just me. That's because apparently it's likely to be more helpful for people with dyslexia. I saw people mention that Bionic reading helps them with their difficulty reading and understanding text. So I asked my girlfriend who has dyslexia whether it's easier to read than the normal text. But surprisingly, she didn't find it helpful at all because of the same reason as me, that bolded letters were a little distracting. So I think it depends on each person. You just have to try it yourself to see if it's for you or not. There are different ways to try Bionic reading at the moment. If you're on your computer, you can use some browser extensions that automatically convert the text on any web page for Bionic reading. The ones I tried are Jiffy Reader and the official Bionic reading extension. There are a few more clones like these, but most of them are almost identical. Once you install them on your browser, you can toggle it on and off. Also, you can customize fixation, opacity, and so on. Apparently, everybody has different optimal settings, so you might want to take some time to play with it to find the best setting for you. Now, for reading on mobile, there are already some reading apps with Bionic reading, but as far as I know, they are all available only on iOS. But don't worry, I know a way to try it on Android too. Anyway, if you're using an iPhone, you can install one of these apps: Reader, 5, Theory, Feeds, and Lyre. If I'm correct, they are iOS exclusive apps, but let me know if I'm wrong. Alright, now if you use an Android phone, you want to use Kiwi browser because this lets you use browser extensions on your phone. All you need to do is just find the extension list from the setting menu, then hit the plus button from the store and search for Bionic reading. Install one you like and that's it. Now you can read any web page with the Bionic reading mode. By the way, if you're looking for a way to read more books and articles, short form is the best place to get extensive book guides to learn new ideas every day. I've been using short form for more than a year now. What I like about it is that unlike other book summary apps, their book guides are much more detailed and come with deep analysis of important ideas and concepts in the books. So it's not just a summary. Reading these analyses helps me understand the ideas more easily. Anyway, if you want to try short form, go to shortform.com/Xiaomi to get 5 days of unlimited access and an additional 20% discount on the annual subscription. Alright, that was a quick video on Bionic reading. Some people are kind of against the idea of this because reading should not be purely about productivity and reading as fast as you can, which I agree. It might ruin the experience when you are reading a novel for pleasure, for example. But sometimes there are situations where you want to read and absorb information as fast as you can, like when you're collecting research materials for your essays or articles. So it's just case by case. Anyway, thanks for watching. Let me know how it worked for you if you tried Bionic reading. Bye!